Yeah. 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 Woo. Yeah. Yeah. Good day to you, gentlemen. Glad you're here and doing well. We're picking up from our last discussion, building freedom through structure and routine. Do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button for me and subscribe to our channel. It is appreciated. Let's dive in, shall we? Methinks we shall. Let's go! Consistency is the key to lasting change. Consistency plays a pivotal role in fostering discipline and is integral to our personal growth. When you commit to a consistent routine, it lays the groundwork for sustainable change over time. A steady routine not only reinforces existing skills, but also encourages the development of new ones, creating a pathway to achieving long-term objectives. Without steadfastness, even the most well-intentioned efforts can falter. One of the primary reasons quick changes often derail long-term progress is because of their inherent instability. When individuals attempt to overhaul their routines dramatically within a short period of time, they often overlook the gradual adjustments needed for lasting implementation. So we're going to take our time. Remember, my brothers, inch by inch, it's a cinch. It's a cinch. The sudden shift can lead to feelings of being overwhelmed and ultimately resulting in a regression to old habits. So we need to establish a framework of consistent practices that will be essential for maintaining momentum and nurturing resilience throughout our journey of personal growth and mental and spiritual development. Cultivate a consistent approach across various domains of your life. It is prudent to start with small, manageable changes that you can handle. There's no rush. Slow down. For instance, work setting specific daily tasks that align with broader goals can and will enhance productivity and foster accountability. When it comes to health, incorporating simple yet effective habits such as a daily short walk or a balanced meal can lead to significant improvement over time. Gentlemen, we don't go to the gym and attempt to bench press 250 pounds right off the bat, especially if our body is not conditioned to push that type of weight. You gonna hurt yourself and probably need to take a trip to the emergency room. But if you're training consistently and properly, gradually increasing the weight and doing all the necessary regimens to safely lift and push, eventually, you will have the ability to press the 250 pounds safely, if that's your goal. It is always beneficial to regularly assess your progress and adjust your goals as necessary. By reflecting on achievements and challenges, you can reinforce positive behaviors while modifying those that exhibit less effectiveness. When we approach consistency in that manner, the process promotes a growth mindset and encourages you. It also provides you with the strength you need to embrace your journey and remain steadfast in your commitment to consistency. The bottom line, gentlemen, consistency serves as the bedrock upon which discipline is built. It leads to transformational changes that can redefine your personal and professional landscape. Check out my website, richboyentertainment903.in, and read the complete article on the discipline blueprint for a deeper dive. And while you're there, pick up a copy of my new book, The Modern Man System. My brothers, I'll catch you on the next video. Gentlemen, let's get it. Shalom, shalom.